What if I told you selling does not have to mean begging people to buy? Because the smartest sellers simply offer people what they already want. Fast Money Marion here, and today I'm showing you the simple way to sell what people already want without overthinking, forcing, or chasing customers. By the end of this video, you'll understand why people buy, how to find products or services they already want, and how to place your offer in front of the right audience. One big mistake beginners make is trying to create demand from nothing. They think they need a brand new idea, a perfect product, or something nobody has ever seen before. But that usually makes selling harder. Smart sellers do the opposite. They do not start by asking, what can I convince people to buy? They ask, what are people already buying, searching for, asking about, and struggling with? Selling is not magic. Selling is matching. You match a real person with a real desire to a real offer that helps them get what they want. People already want solutions. They want to save time, make money, look better, feel better, learn faster, fix problems, reduce stress, and improve their daily life. If you want to know what to sell, look for pain points. A pain point is something people complain about, struggle with, or wish was easier. Desire leaves clues. When people search for something, watch tutorials, read reviews, join groups, and ask questions, they are showing you what they already care about. A simple place to start is online marketplaces. Look at what is selling on places like Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Fiverr, or digital product platforms. You are not copying blindly. You are studying demand. Reviews are gold. Good reviews tell you what people love. Bad reviews tell you what people still want fixed. That is where opportunity lives. Questions are another clue. When people keep asking the same question over and over, that question may be pointing to a product, service, guide, checklist, template, or tutorial you can offer. Trends can help, but do not chase every trend. Look for trends connected to real problems, real habits, or real spending. The best opportunities are not just popular, they are useful. One of the simplest things to sell is information. If you know how to help someone do something faster, easier, or better, you can turn that knowledge into a guide, ebook, checklist, mini course, or video. Templates are powerful because people want shortcuts. Resume templates, budget templates, business plan templates, social media templates, meal planners, and content calendars all save people time. If you do not have a product yet, sell a service. People pay for help with writing, editing, design, cleaning, organizing, social media, tutoring, tech setup, errands, and business tasks. You do not need to change someone's whole life. Sometimes people pay for small improvements, a better logo, a cleaner room, a faster resume, a clearer budget, or a more organized schedule. Here is where many people lose the sale. They talk about features first, but customers usually care more about results. They want to know what your offer will help them do, fix, save, avoid, or become. Instead of saying, this is a 20-page budget planner, say, this helps you see where your money is going and feel more in control every month. Sell the outcome, not just the item. A confused customer does not buy. Keep your offer simple. Say who it is for, what problem it solves, what result it helps create, and how they can get it. You do not need fancy language. Simple words sell because simple words are clear. Talk like a real person helping another real person.
Do not hide your offer and hope people find it. Go where your buyers already are. That could be YouTube, TikTok, Facebook groups, Instagram, Pinterest, marketplaces, local communities, or search engines.
Helpful content attracts buyers. Teach something small, answer a common question, show a before and after, share a mistake to avoid. Give people value before you ask for the sale. People trust proof. Show examples, testimonials, screenshots, results, demonstrations, or your own process. Proof makes your offer feel safer. After you explain the value, tell people exactly what to do next. Click the link, send a message, download the template, book the call, place the order. Do not make them guess. Let's make this real. Suppose people are stressed about money and do not know where their paycheck is going. You could create a simple budget template. You would not sell it by saying, here is a spreadsheet. Another example, small business owners struggle to know what to post online. You could sell a content calendar. But the real value is not the calendar itself. The value is helping them stop feeling stuck and start posting consistently. Or maybe you offer a local service. Someone does not want to spend their weekend cleaning, organizing, assembling furniture, or setting up technology. You are not just selling labor. You are selling time, relief, and convenience. Another example, small business owners struggle to know what to post online. You could sell a content calendar. But the real value is not the calendar itself. The value is helping them stop feeling stuck and start posting consistently. So here is the simple formula. Find what people already want, understand the problem behind it, create or choose an offer that helps, explain the outcome clearly, then show it to the people already looking for that solution. You do not need to force people to want something. You just need to pay attention to what they already want and offer a simple solution. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe. Can real money opportunities when you learn how to sell the solution.